Hello folks, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I put the dry sweeping sheets into the hives to collect up the hive beetles and control the population. It's real easy. I show you exactly which ones I use, how I cut them up, and how I place them. So let's grab a jacket here and pop one of these hives open. I just use a generic unscented dry sweeping refill, and you take each one of them out and unfold them just like that. Then cut them into strips that are about 2 inches wide. Place these across the top of the frames. The beetles will try to hide under them away from the bees. They actually get their feet stuck in them, and it works really good for beetle control. So let's go up and put some of these in. Okay, this is the hive that had quite a few hive beetles in it last week. We're going to pop that off, ease the plastic back. I'm going to put one strip down along the back of the frames and close it back up and come back in a week and we'll see quite a few beetles in them. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and get it going here. And let's see, today it is upper 40s, not quite sunny, but the bees are active. So I see quite a few of them coming and going. Let's take a look here, ease this back. Some beetles right there on the plastic. Let's see if we can get a few of these killed real easy. There we go. Now, just take a Swiffer sheet. One side is the collection side, you might say, of the floor sweeping sheet. It's a little rougher, more puffed up. I tend to lay that down towards the hive like that. Move the smoker out of the way here. And yeah, just along the very back of the frames. Entrance is on the opposite side. Pretty calm bees. Pull this back down, put it back together. Give it a couple weeks and you'd be surprised that the beetles will get caught in that. As the bees are herding them around, they try to hide, they get caught right in those.